I wonder if me really fi call her gala. If me call her, it coulda make things worse between me and Brandon. But me nah have nothing fi lose really. Cause things not good between me and him anyway. But at least if me get fi run her when me have a chance right this I coulda come in back. So yeah, me call this like a nasty girl right you know. She coulda bright but she want come downtown come take my gangster man Brandon. Coulda bright.
Hello? Who's this?
Ashley, Brandon man. Hey girl, me here say you a take my man.
Excuse me? Brandon's what?
Sure, so you hear what me just say in Uptown girl? Awa, you have boogie in your ears or what? You know hear what me just say? Me a Brandon woman.
You are hilarious. You're way dumber than I thought.
Alright, so you get joke. You get joke. Alright, watch and see where I go on. Anytime I see you anywhere in the street Uptown girl, you better ready fi take off your spy keel and war me. Cause I go beat out you nasty.
Girl, get a life. Me? Rachel? I have no time for non-progressive elements like you. Because the last time I checked, you and Brandon are ancient history. So please get off my phone.
What is? I wish you'd hang up in a ears. Anytime I see the Uptown girl there, remember, I go and beat out her nasty. Watch I'll see.
She must feel like because I live uptown, I'm not a Jamaican and I don't know how to fight. Girl, please. Let me go lay down and get some rest. I'm tired because that girl must be crazy.
Jano Star. Last night was a whole lot. But I wonder what Rachel are going with my morning. You know me need to get her links to her. Trust me, star. Like that girl laying our feet that me I just ask her if you officially be my girlfriend in idea. Get her some roses and go meet her while location and just present her with the roses and just ask her straight up. Rachel, will you be my girlfriend? Let me see how that I work out now. Let me give her a call in the morning and see if we can check on her still and see where I'm going with her.
Hey, Brandon. Good morning to you. How are you doing?
Morning in Rachel. No, me there. No, so I'm good though. Just wake up with you on my mind and I just decide to I give you a call in the morning because I really want to see in her dear star. Need to see you. I have something that I need to say to you face to face, so you need to make that happen today. Alright?
I'm not sure what to make of that, Brandon. What is it?
I know nothing for you to worry about in Rachel. I just want to see a beautiful face in her dear star. I have something that I have to say to you face to face. So I know nothing for you to worry about, man. Just see where you can work out and make a meet up a little more. Alright?
Okay, Brandon. Since it's the weekend, I can make some time to come see you after I'm done with the gym. So I'll just call you and let you know what time.
Alright, Rachel, that ain't no problem. See, I try to stay in shape. I probably need to start joining in a gym too. Or probably we can take walks in the evening together. What you say about that? But anyway, just give me a shout. Link me up later and make we do this. Alright? Talk to you later. Be safe on the road. Alright, Rachel? Little more.
Yeah, I'd love to go on those walks. Okay, Brandon. I'll just talk to you later.
Well, man, I get up and make a one circle around the block, you know. I have to take 2 walks to start because Rachel let's say she a go gym. I have to go and stay fit and stay healthy too because I can't make sure out do me, you know. And I don't want to go gym like that, so I have to just make the best use of what I have. God bless me with 2 foot and 2 hand. So right now, that me I work with.
Hey Brandon, make sure say anytime you see your little Uptown girl and make sure say you tell her say I hope she can live up to her tough chat. Cause anywhere me see that girl there, me I go beat her and you have to go defend that.
Away I say, girl Ashley, How you want to see the girl for feeling her vibes with her? How what should you do? Like, yo, nobody with their foolishness in her, Ashley. That me I make you know, you know. That anyhow you see that girl, I mess with her, man. Remember, a big things are going on between me and you. So no bother with your foolishness.
Well, I be things of go on between me and you then, because anywhere me see a girl, me I go beat her.
Yo, me don't see what you deal with in a big idiot girl, Ashley. Me don't see a problem you want to get me in from what you know. But me I got avoid you as always, still me I avoid you as always, man. But go on do your thing, man. You gotta get what's coming to you. Me don't know why you not gonna find one better than whole heap of girl, them me both the place and fight. And my little one girl with me I try with you want come mash up my thing. Me I want in Ashley. Leave my girl alone. You hear that?
Leave the little uptown girl alone, nah. Leave the little uptown girl alone, nah. Just try to tell her say she better prepare for defend her chat.
You go on, man. Go on push your luck with me. You see where I go on with you. Here, girl. Go on push your luck with me, man. See, I'm go uptown there now, yeah. Go see if I can get some flowers around a Barbican side. So. Wonder if I can find a driver we can carry me go straight up there and come back. Yo, taxi. Hold on there. May I forward?
Yo, Brandon, wagwan, man. Long time in a city, you know, you good?
Yeah, man, cabin man, away I say, man, I go through, man. You know, I say, in the uptown, them all you can. I go around a Barbican side, so where them sell the whole heap of flowers. Them right on the roadside, this are going up on the hillside, so. Yeah, man, want to go see if I can get some flowers for a new girl who me having in my life. Want to ask her the question later if be my girl or it, so I just want to do it the right way. Get her some roses and I don't know, sit her down and just pop the question and just hope so she go say yes, but I feel like so she go busting still.
But that sound good in a Brandon, seem like you have the blessing plan in action. That sound like it can work, you. Yeah, man, sound like it can work. But Brandon, on a more serious note still. From what day I want to see you still, you know, cause I hear some little thing in the streets. I don't know as a cabbie I hear everything where I go on the streets. I hear some boy the ones I get himself mixed up in some little thing star. Youth, may I beg you, youth, may I beg you. But I get yourself caught up in a them lifestyle. It's not worth it, youth. Yeah, when I feel like a youth them in a community where wherever I look up to and I say, yo, that little youth there, you know, him different from the rest, him always stay out a problem and I try to strive for excellence and always I try to uplift himself certain way. But when time I hear say I get mixed up in a gang business and gun thing star, break me heart, you, break me heart star, so I decide say, yo, me have to say something to you about it. So I not to accuse you or nothing still no youth, but as I hold the party, I know the thing. I get deport from America for in a gang business and them thing there in a youth. So I know the thing youth, I know the lifestyle and that's something you want to get in a youth. So youth, if you're not in it, not bother go in it. And you say if you're in it, I beg you youth. Protect your life, protect your mother life. Look out for your people them and step away from the lifestyle because it not gonna work out good for nobody at all. You see the gangster life youth, and one thing about the gangster life, it no work out good for nobody at all. All sides lose. Yes youth, take it from an elder like me youth. Trust and believe, it no worth it.
Boy, can be coming like the whole of city have a Gregory Isaac moment star.
What you mean, Brandon, the whole of city have a Gregory Isaac moment? What you mean by that?
Yes, man, them definitely have a Gregory Isaac moment, driver. You know, see, rumors them spreading. Me, Brendan, forget myself mixed up in a them life, the driver. Nah, man, nothing like that, man. Nothing like that, man. I don't know what go on in all city they say in a driver, but yo, trust and believe, man. The man, them a try to set up my lifestyle. I don't know what go on or when me do somebody, but no, man, them just a set up my life, you. I'm not involved in a them type of dirty lifestyle, none at all. And a Brandon style. You don't know that driver and a Brandon style.
Well, I'm glad to hear that still. Definitely glad to hear that still. Once I say I saw, you know. But the streets have it a total different way, youth. So whatsoever you do, may I beg you, clean up Wagwan because the streets have it a different type of way, youth. I mean, I want the police them start pray because you're a good youth. We can't have a community like this and everybody just turn a certain way. Me get deport, come back and try to change my life. I have to try to impart the little knowledge of the gangster world with me know upon the youth them to make them know say yo, stay away from it and something we don't want to get in. The life might look nice and glamorous and sweet in a youth. But trust me, you say anytime you hear a police say yo, stop, don't move, and when time you look left, look right, or look in front of you, there's nowhere to go and then put that bangle upon you and throw you in a cell and slam shut the gate there. At them time the reality hit. At them time they are go find out say all of the girls, all of the friend them, all of the combo of them and gang members. Nobody no member your youth. I just your mother. And if you have a solid girl in your life, at them alone are there for your youth. Remember me tell you this. You see a mother youth are the only woman that where you can rest your head pan the black session all left you no matter what. But anything else youth, trust and believe them, come and go. So youth, just be wise, alright?
Yeah man, Cabby man, where I say man, a real talk that I just make a while ago man. Trust and believe man, me see it every day of my life in a city there, so man, a whole heap of youth down a jail. And when time you look at just for them mother alone, you see I struggle with the liquor bag, them I carry go down a GT, or I carry go via police station to go feed them. Me not see no bag of friend, me not see nothing like that youth. So you're right. Now listen to what you say still man and get certain things clean up man, because all of them room I need for stop.
Alright, youth, in my next 2 minutes so I gotta read still. The flowers place I got up on the left hand side which part me I gotta let you off and you just walk, go lick a bit up the road there so. You gotta see one woman named Miss Joyce man, I can just buy the flowers from she is it. And just give me back a link, me good I just circle around the Barbican square this and come back, come pick you up and carry you down. Alright?
Alright, Cabby, I see a word man, just circle back round and come give me back a link right there. So you see it, I just grab the flowers them and forward back quicker and fast.
Yo, Brandon, see me over here, so forward there. Yo, forward. See me here.
Yo, me see you, man forward.
Them flowers, they look bossy though, youth. Look like that girl like really special like first. Never see you go all out for your girl. Me never see you go get no rose for your slate. Yo, that one I look like she really have your head lucky in a certain way, youth.
She have me a way still, yes, man, I gotta tell no lie, but not lock in a way like what you say still. But it's a nice little tool still, so me just want to deal with the thing the right way, you see.
Alright, youth. Go and do your right thing, man. I come up to your stop right now still, so just go and take care of yourself still, youth. You see it? I remember what we talked about earlier.
Alright, Cabby, I say a word, man. Big up yourself too, you see it? Rachel, what go on? You know somebody I wonder which part we are going to meet up later. In a 2 hours, you come down in a garrison in the evening and still. I feel if I come out of a garrison and meet you somewhere else. We could have meet over Devon House. Could have bring one blanket still in my reach and we could have rest the blanket on some grass and we could grab 2 ice cream and we could have sit down this and we'll have reasoning still. What do you say about that?
Devon House sounds great. Brandon, it's like you read my mind. I've been having a craving for ice cream for a few days now, so, yeah.
Alright, Rachel, cool. Devon House it is then. I gotta go and get ready now still, so we'll meet up with you both in the next hour or two, alright? I'll make you know when time I left out.
Okay, Brandon. Sounds good to me.
Boy, I hope she love them roses, yeah, you know, because them thing are kind of out of my league differently still, you know. I mean, used to do I get some little Miss Chin rose, the little plastic one, them, and the girl them dug in our one, I was alright with that, but boy, them uptown girl, I be a them real flowers type of thing that them used to, so I can't drop the catch. I have to step up my game, even though it costly. I just hope so I choose the right set of colors for her still.
Pinky, me say, me have argument for tell you, girl. Guess who me just say out the road I have to page him. Now boy Brandon, me have to make him know say, anywhere me see him, girl, I be lick. Me I got just beat her. Yeah, had that me have to tell the boy Brandon.
Yeah, girl. At that me I talk about him have to know what time it is. No little uptown girl can come in our place come take a man. No, That can't work. Yeah, girl, you do the right thing.
Girl, you know some I call the number where you send come give me another girl number for you. Me have to give the girl a piece of my tongue, but the girl a laugh for me. The girl a give me be a tough chat like say she bad. Yeah, girl. So me have to make sure know say anywhere me see a girl, me I go beat you. So she better ready because anywhere me see that girl there, she a go get it.
But she not easy, Ashley. She not easy at all. But she want left all the way from Uptown coming a free place come take free women. No, girl. You have to put the girl in her place quick and fast.
Rachel, you know, me just make you know, so me just get ready and I go jump in a taxi and now I meet you up at Evanos too. Just drive safe while you're on the road, alright? I will see you soon.
Okay, Brandon. I'm almost done, so I'll see you soon. We're much closer to it than you are anyways.
Hey Rachel, Wagwan. These floors are for you. I hope you like them.
Oh, Brandon, thank you. These are beautiful. So, Brandon, what is it that you wanted to talk to me face to face about?
Alright, so Rachel, yeah, I've been hanging out, going out, chilling, talking on the phone for a little while I know, and now I gotta lie still. Definitely like you, and you have also made mention say you like me too. So I just want to take things to the next level and make the thing official by asking you to be my girlfriend.
The word is girlfriend, Stilly. You forgot the D.
Don't you worry about the D, baby. You will definitely get that later.
Okay then, Brandon. I'm picking up what you're putting down. So yes, I would love to be your girlfriend.
Wagwan, my General GeGuh. Everything bless up, my boss.
Everything good, man, Brandon, man, but you need to come link me over upon the ends right and now without delay.
You know, some of them on a little date with a little tools, my boss. But I say I would, man, I gotta make sure no say me have a small thing to go mash up right away. So I gotta come link you right and now upon the block. You see it, my boss? Because I know say I must up me serious for you call me.
Yeah, man, do that then now. I got day I wait for you.
Yeah, man, my boss, man. No say 40, 39, good. Yo, Rachel, you know, say me have to cut the data short though, cause we have a family emergency to go deal with. Why, John house time, I'm really sorry about this still, but me have to jump on a taxi and now and go back down in the city. So just take a time, go and drive back up the street there, right? Just make me know when time I reach home safe and I will do the same. When time I reach him tonight, I can give you a link and we can roll a small reasonable. Alright, baby? Sorry about that again. I'm going to make it up back to you.
Okay, Brandon. I understand. Just let me know that everything is okay.
Alright, baby. Take care. Little more. Yo, Juvenile, Wagwan. Our country there. Our country always do out on the frontier go and monitor things to the general. Anyway, show the general the run on the back and make him know so Brandon out on the front too, you see?
You know, say general upgrade my badness though. I mean, I go run off on the front right and now still me here's a country badness water down away. Gone back a country me here, man, gone plant yam grung and thing as it. So me I go deal with anytime you come on the front as of now. But me I go make the general know so you out there still. I don't know a protocol of a search and make sure say you're clean. So anyway, link the general. Yo, my general, you know, say Brandon from over city the out from the front have to see my boss. Send him round.
Yeah, man, Juvenile, man, send Brandon around pan the back, tell him to come link me right round our minds, this so you see it.
Alright, my boss, I say I would, man, go send him round right, you know. So Brandon, you know it's about to find the boss, right? Anyway, the boss say you can't fall out.
Alright, Juvenile, I say I would, man. Me go around pan the back of link the general as it.
Brandon, wagwan. Everything good?
Yeah, man, my boss. Everything good on my ends, man. But what I go on with the urgency of the car? What I go on for that?
So the common problem where you come to me boat in a Brandon, me get that deal with quick and fast, you know. As you notice, you know, see country out on the front. Country gone back a country gone. Ton, yellow yam. I grung him there. What my question is to you now, Brandon. What go on for the common problem where me talk to you about? That I will more ask you. Cause just like how me can get to the common problem where you come to me about and deal with it, me I wonder when you go deal with the common problem where me chat to you about. That more I answer.